midday, morning, just getting the morning started. But of course, more things to come, more content to create. It is about 11 o'clock right now. I definitely got a late start because I have been outside and I have been so tired. So I was able to sleep in a little bit, get the body re-energized to go out into this Houston heat and create some content. So the first stop, pretty popular spot from what I hear here in Houston, but we're still gonna get some content there, shoot some natural light, so put it to the test. And it's going to be approaching midday, which, if you don't know, is one of the times where the sun is a bit harsher. So it's going to take some technique to get the compositions and to really get that flattering light. So of course, y'all gonna come with me. So let's go. Just left Post Market, and I'm gonna let y'all decide. Did we get some heat or what? Did we get heat? Answer that in the comments. Did we get some fire or not? Cause you seen it, you saw it. Okay, this would be a good shot right here. Y'all see that back there? I think that's a McLaren. But anyway, on to the next spot. I'll see y'all there. Drinking a lot of water. Gotta stay hydrated. Just did kind of a scope out at a location that I have chosen, and there is some security that's kind of sitting on the side in their car. So I'm gonna try to be strategic about it because I don't know if they're gonna bother me. So I'm gonna start back here. Then I'm gonna work my way back around to the other side. So hopefully they don't mess with us, because I just want to get these shots and get the hell on. I'm gonna lead you in. What name you like to go with?
Liberty.
Liberty? Yeah. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna say we are here with Liberty, and then you're just gonna say what your IG is. If you want to say anything else, you know, you just go with the flow. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3, perfect right there. All right, 1, 2. Get another one. 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. All right, we are still out here shooting. Second outfit, just like being really creative with the shots that we are getting, that a lot of times you don't get to be as creative. So I'll let y'all see some of these shots right now. So make sure you go follow her, and we also have her security guard in the background right now with the piercing eyes. Okay, here she comes.
I'm the security guard. because I really like the color. I really do. And yeah.
As you can see, the party is still going. I think it's like 1 in the morning, honestly. So this is technically the next day, but I'm gonna still keep it in this video, okay? We got I feel the energy, vibes, and things. And the reason why I'm feeling this energy is like really, really strong because of this person right here. Yes.
What?
Yeah, she, ladies and gentlemen, is bringing the positive energy to the space as we create magic. How you doing, Miss Trinity?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I am doing great. Wonderful to have you here.
Thank you so much. I'm here to support y'all, the beautiful model. The beautiful model.
And you're not gonna talk trash like when y'all leave, right?
No. Because y'all are amazing people.
Okay.
Yeah.
We love to hear it. So that is what we have going on, and the content don't stop. So let's go. And try to point, see if you can arch your back even more. 1, 2. And let's get a couple with your hair wrapped on the other side. So just put it like under, yeah, just like that. So the main focus is you. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. You can kick up like that. Let's see what your knees. No. Alright, yeah, I want you to like lean over on this, and then you can kick your feet up and have them kind of take this position. Yeah. You can look at me. End a night. It is 2:30. Don't ask me any questions. I am